Hi. Do you have a delayed case with immigration? Whether it is an asylum case, a citizenship case, a green card case, an I-730 follow to join case for your family members. There are many different types of cases that get stuck at USCIS, and it seems like they never move forward. So, tonight we're going to talk about a new tool that may be helpful for you to get your case moving, depending on how long it has been pending. So, I'm Lindsay with a Light Legal immigration law firm in Washington, D.C. We represent clients in the U.S. and all over the world as they apply for status in the U.S. Now, this yesterday, I had an interview for a case for clients who had been waiting 4 years for their case to be adjudicated. And the reason it was scheduled for an interview was because on September 24th, we filed what is called a Mandamus Action in federal court. And we sued the federal government and we said, hey, you're taking too long to make a decision on this case. So therefore, we're asking the federal court to force you to do your job. And thankfully, the client had their interview yesterday and the benefit was granted on the spot. And this was one of many interviews that I've had over the last couple of months as a result of lawsuits that have been filed. And we've filed lawsuits in green card cases, naturalization cases, I-730 follow to join, and even for a delayed asylum decision. So, depending on what your situation is, maybe you've been waiting on your asylum interview for 5 or 6 years, or maybe you have been waiting for your asylum decision for 3 years or 2 years, or you've been waiting for your family's case to be granted for many years. There are many different situations where this mandamus action or suing the federal government in federal court may help to get your case moving along. So, of course, it's extremely important that before you sue the government to try to force them to schedule an interview or finalize your case, you need to make sure that your case is properly prepared, you are properly prepared, and you are ready to move forward. You don't want to sue them to hurry up to schedule your interview and then you're not prepared and then your case is denied. So it's very important to be as prepared as possible. So if you have a very long pending case, if you want to see if it may be a good time for you to file a lawsuit or to see what steps you need to take before you do, because you do need to file inquiries, you need to try to take a few steps to get USCIS to finish your case before you go this extreme route to file in federal court, then you can call us. We can have a consultation. We can discuss your situation, see if it may be something that where you would benefit from a situation like this. So once again, over the last few months, we've had several interviews scheduled, an asylum decision issued. A lot of different things have been finally moving forward for our clients who are willing to say, yes, let's go ahead and sue in federal court and let's get this moving. I hope everyone has a good week. If you're celebrating Thanksgiving, enjoy Thanksgiving and the holidays with your family. And let me check really quick to see if there are any questions. I do not see any questions, so I'm going to wrap up now. Feel free to send us your questions or let us know if you would like a consultation to discuss your case in particular. All right, everyone, I hope you have a great night. Thanks for joining.